India's iron ore production touched its highest level till date of over 250 million tons in FY22, a sharp increase of 23% compared with 204 million ton in FY21 as per data maintained with Steel Mint. Production rose on higher output from India's top iron ore producing state of Odisha as well as marginally higher output from the other key states. Total output had slumped 17% year-on-year in FY21 due to loss in production following the transfer of mining leases after the mineral auctions in Odisha and the COVID-19 outbreak disturbing logistics and supply chains. Odisha's iron ore output rose by nearly 30% to over 138 million ton from around 107 million ton in FY21. Odisha's share in India's iron ore production stood at around 55% in FY22. Although a couple of key merchant leases in the state expired in the year gone by, a majority of mines auctioned in 2020 resumed full-fledged operations, boosting overall production. Karnataka emerged as the second highest iron ore producing state of India, with production climbing 18% year-on-year to over 40 million ton from around 34 million ton in FY21. This was mainly due to higher production from the country's top iron ore miner NMDC, which saw its 7 million ton per year Donimalai mine receiving the renewal to restart operations upon payment of additional premium to the state government. Although production in Chhattisgarh remained stable by and large at around 40 million ton, compared with 37 million ton in FY21, Jharkhand witnessed a sharp increase of 21% in its iron ore output that reached more than 25 million ton vis-a-vis 20 million ton in the preceding fiscal. Top miners were NMDC, SAIL and JSW. What next? Production of iron ore in India is expected to increase to nearly 265 million tons in financial year 23 as per Steel Mint estimates. Our projections, based on calculations of state-wise and mine-wise enhancement in capacity and production, show that the country's iron ore output in FY23 is likely to rise 5% year-over-year to an all-time high of 251 million tons in FY22. For more such updates, stay tuned to www.steelmint.com.